Hey, DIY enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to repair your Polycab BLDC ceiling fan. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, check all the wiring connections at the switchboard and ceiling mount. If everything looks good but you're still having issues, it's time to move on to the next steps. Take down the fan carefully. You don't want to damage anything in the process. Once the fan is down, open up the bottom cover to access the BLDC controller module, also known as the PCB board. Now you'll need to get a replacement module. You can buy one from a Polycab service center or through a certified technician. Make sure it's the right one for your fan. Disconnect the old module by first removing the main power connection. After that, you'll see three color-coded wires, usually red, blue and yellow, that connect the module to the motor. Carefully disconnect these wires. With the old module out, it's time to install the new one. Just connect the red, blue and yellow wires to the new module in the same order. Don't mix them up. Then reconnect the main power wire. Once that's done, reattach the fan cover and mount the fan back on the ceiling. Switch on the power and check if the fan is working smoothly. If it is, great job. You've successfully repaired your Polycab BLDC ceiling fan. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing electrical work, it's best to consult a certified technician to avoid any risk of electric shock or damage to the fan. Need help? You can contact
The details of service center and technician are given in the video description. You can visit there and contact the technician. Next, the older module is been removed and we'll check all the three coded wires and the main wires. After that, we will take a new module given by the Polycab technician or service center. We'll fix the new module and reconnect the all three coded wires in the same order in which previously it was connected to the older module. Once we will connect all the wiring connection, it is over. Now you can check by connecting these wires whether the fan is able to rotate or not. Once it is been done, you have already repaired the Polycab fan.